Hello, bonjour, and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanjana Arora, and in today's video, I am going to show you the collection of all the handbags that I'm having from two brands specifically, Aldo and Charles & Keith. I am extremely obsessed with purchasing new bags, and this was my birthday month, so I splurged a bit too much, and I think I have almost each and every bag from their new collection. So let me start with the first one. The first one is a tote bag, which every girl will agree that we do require. Wait, I think I need to stand up to be able to show you this one. See, if you are a girl and you go to college, then you must agree that there is like a hell lot of stuff that we need to carry. So we do require a tote bag, and it also comes with this tiny pouch, in which, this tiny pouch I usually would use to keep my makeup, and I would rather keep it at home than carrying it with me everywhere. But this is the purse that I will be carrying when I am going to work or maybe for shopping. So yeah, this is this bag. I really love the color. Now the second bag that I have is a sling. It's in such a beautiful shape. The black, the evergreen, the classic black. But just look at the quality. Like, doesn't this scream luxury? This is from Aldo. The branding is over here. And then inside it, of course, but you know what I really love when the branding is not too much in the front, because that to me looks very flashy and very tacky. I love brands when they don't just display their name too much, because otherwise it just looks like that they are actually paying me for their promotion, whereas it's me who's buying their product, so it needs to look classy. And this one is extremely classy, but I can't carry it for now because for me the length is too long. I need to get this adjusted, so I think I'll be getting it done the next week. And if I talk about the space is decent. Like, it's useful for your date days when you are not actually going to carry much. You know what, just look at this thing, this detailing. This is so pretty. Now for the third bag, I tried something different in terms of color. This one is from Charles & Keith, I guess. Yeah, this one I got from Charles & Keith. You see, this is kind of a tannish kind of a color. Like, I don't think the color is coming right over here. It's not cream, it's tan beige kind of a tone. And this is so classy. And with this golden detailing, like, this has my complete heart. And the best part is I don't need to get the length adjusted. So if you're short, you'll understand the struggle that every time we buy a bag or a dress, we need to get every damn thing altered. So I don't need to get it altered because it comes with a double chain, and if I carry it like this, the length comes out to be perfect. Now the last bag for today, the fourth one, is a very cutesy and a very girly kind of a bag. Let me show it to you. Like, I love it just because of one detailing that exists over here. Just see. And obviously I love it because of this little scarf that exists over here. I am totally in love with it. See, there is a sling inside this as well, which we can attach over here, but I am not going to attach a sling because of the simple reason that I'm short and I don't really need a sling. This works perfect for me. This can be used as a handbag in my case. And if I talk about spacing, then the spacing is quite decent over here. Like, I can add some stuff. I can even add my small water bottle inside this, and I love it for that. And then there is also a zipper in which you can add your documents, and over here there's the sling. You can see that I have not even completely opened my bags as per now. And you know what's one more thing that's amazing about it? See, it has footrest, it has these stands, these supports, because if we are buying some expensive bags and then we have to keep it on a chair just like that or keep it on the floor, our heart shrinks that it'll get dirty, especially if it's a light color like this. And when they give this, it's like, the designer, you have my heart. You focus on the detailing and you understand girls, and we love you for that. So I hope you liked my collection of these bags, and let me know in the comment section which one do you love the most. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video with much more fun stuff. Bye bye.